Hello everyone, today I will show you some exercises which help you to mobility your body and stretching good. So stay with me and I will show you this new exercise. Let's start. So firstly, what you're starting to do, we will stand on this position, can take 2 blocks in this side and starting to pushing, take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Takes our knees for block and back. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay in this position. Take turn our blocks and do pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay back. We will take back our blocks. So guys, stay with me because I'll show you now more better exercise which you must to do. Okay, after that we'll stay back in this side, take our knees and starting working with the back leg. So pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now working with the hand, we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Take 2 legs together. Take blocks behind and slowly slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take like and go watch my other videos. So bye bye.